Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how I do my focaccia with za'atar mix. So the dough is made with all-purpose flour and semolina 50-50 and yeast, a little bit of honey and a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. And this time we're making a za'atar focaccia, which is we add a little bit of the mixture in the dough. Za'atar is a mixture of a Middle Eastern Lebanese spice that you can find on Middle Eastern or Lebanese specialty stores. So the dough is risen, as you can see here. So now what we do is with the rice dough here, we have to deflate it. We fold it on itself like that, gently. Okay. And now we put it in the pan. Okay. So, and the pan has olive oil in it and a little bit of corn flour so it doesn't stick. So what I do now is I have to spread the dough to fill my pan. And as you can see, the dough is oily because we add oil to the dough when we were mixing it. Of course, we will post the recipe for you on our Facebook page. Okay? Okay, after we spread the dough evenly, now we let it rest until it doubles in size. Okay? Here it is, our focaccia doubled in size. And now we're gonna add some olive oil in the top. Now I'm adding some olive oil to the top here, like that. Okay, now I just even the olive oil all over, like that, very gently. And then what I do is I go like this with my hands, make some dimples. Okay, and now I'm gonna put the focaccia in a preheated 450 oven on the middle rack. I will bake the focaccia for about 20 to 30 minutes, depends on the dough. Okay? And for the focaccia topping, I'm gonna be using garlic, grated garlic, za'atar mix here, olive oil, and a little bit of coarse salt. So I'm gonna grate the garlic, as you can see, like that. Okay, now I'm gonna add the za'atar mix. If you don't have za'atar mix, you can use any herbs you want, okay? I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. That's coarse salt, all right? Now I'm gonna be adding the olive oil. I like olive oil, so you add a lot of olive oil to make a nice mix, okay? And now you mix everything together like that, and this mixture will be ready to put on top of our focaccia when it's done. Okay? Okay, here we are after about 22 minutes. Here we are. Our focaccia is ready. Okay? So now what I do is I brush my mixture here on the focaccia here. I'll do it all over evenly like this. Okay? Okay, so when I cover all the surface like that, now I'm gonna put it back for about 2-3 minutes to warm up the mixture. All right? Okay, now I put the focaccia back for about 2-3 minutes, then I'll take it up. Okay? Okay, after 2-3 minutes, our focaccia is ready to eat. Okay? So here I like to slide the focaccia on a cutting board. Be easier for me to cut it. Okay? Here we are. I'm gonna cut my focaccia. Okay? Okay. And this is my delicious focaccia. Okay?